about to see is detrimental to the human soul. No, and as you see, I keep changing clothes. These are our new Shelby Exotics polos, by the way. And it's kind of like the mullet, you know. It's business up front, party going on in the rear right there, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, pick up your mullet do shirt as well. Link in the description. Check it out. This is my buddy, Scott Melton. I've got a longer video coming, but I just couldn't wait to share this. He runs the ARCA series for NASCAR. He's the number 69 Melton McFadden Insurance. And I believe he's working with Kimmel Racing as well. But this is him at Martin, one of our local tracks. He had a bit of a rough night. Obviously, you can see he had nowhere to go. He's in the white and blue car. So enjoy the video. That started way in front of these guys. There was two guys, one guy got loose and it checked the field up and they just accordioned into each other. Experience. What do you think? That's so stupid. Another car under that one.
Oh, yep, there's that. Number 6.
Yeah.
They probably do something.
I think I can do this.
Do what? No, don't do this. It's stupid. Stupid!
Stupid mother. Alright, they're gonna get stuff cleaned up so we don't need to go.